Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the guided hook assistance system. This allows you to guide the load hook by hand easily and very intuitively by gently tipping the hook block in the slewing and trolley travel direction. The prerequisites for the function are: you have a Liebherr crane which is compatible with the assistance system and an IMU on the hook block. Only then can guided hook be enabled and activated. Anyone who works on large and noisy building sites knows the problem: misunderstandings via radio or hand signals. Impaired view of the load. This is precisely where guided hook provides relief. At our training site, we show our crane operator how it works. Press and hold the bottom left button on the radio control. The guided hook active symbol appears on the display. First, the crane operator gives the slinger the go-ahead via the radio control by pressing the left joystick. Then, the slinger can pull the load hook into the desired position. If the joystick is only deflected in the trolley travel or slewing direction, the load hook can only be moved in this direction. Conversely, if the joystick is deflected diagonally in both directions, the slinger can pull the load hook flexibly in both directions. The most important thing is that the load hook must always hang down still and straight before pulling. Control always remains with the crane operator. If the joystick is released, the load hook can no longer be pulled. The crane operator gives the go-ahead again. The slinger grabs the load hook or lifting tackle and pulls in the desired direction. The load hook can be guided to the load with pinpoint accuracy. The load is attached. The slinger gives a signal and the crane operator raises the load. With heavy loads, for example, a full concrete bucket, the assistant can no longer be fully utilized as the effort needed to tip the hook block and stop the load is too great for the slinger. To deactivate, press the same button again. The symbol disappears and the crane can be operated via the radio control as usual. And as always, observe the operator's manual. As crane operators, you are responsible for the crane and load. Now it's your turn. Have fun working with guided hook.